Hi guys, in this lecture we're going to learn the question word me in Hebrew. Me is who? Me. Ze in Hebrew is it, this, or that when something or someone is masculine. Zot or zo is it, this, or that when something or someone is feminine. Ele, these are those, regardless of the gender. So when object is plural or we are talking about a group of people, we'll use ele. Ze for a man, zot for a woman, ele for men or for women. Ze, zot, ele. And now it's time for the exercise. As always, when you see the sentence in English, pause the video and then say it out loud in Hebrew. After you're done so, play the video and see if you got it right. If you didn't get it right, don't forget to write down the sentences in your notebook and then rewatch the video until you will be able to get all sentences on your first try. Who is this? Mize. This is Yossi. Ze Yossi. Who is this? Mizot. This is Sivan. Zot Sivan. Who are those? Mi ele. Those are Yossi and Sivan. Ele Yossi v'Sivan. Who is there? Misham. This is Avi. Ze Avi. Avi, what do you want? Avi, מה אתה רוצה? I want to talk. אני רוצה לדבר. Who is speaking? מי מדבר? David is speaking. דוד מדבר. Who is there? מי שם? This is Sivan. זאת סיוון. סיוון, what do you want? סיוון, מה את רוצה? I want to talk. אני רוצה לדבר. Who is studying Hebrew? מי לומד עברית? Andrey is studying Hebrew. Andrey לומד עברית. Who is working now? מי עובד עכשיו? מיכאל is working now. מיכאל עובד עכשיו. Who is resting now? מי נח עכשיו? מיכל is resting now. מיכל נחה עכשיו. Who asks a lot of questions? מי שואל הרבה שאלות? Avi and Yossi ask a lot of questions. אבי ויוסי שואלים הרבה שאלות. Who is answering correct answers? מי עונה תשובות נכונות? Sivan and Sapir are answering correct answers. סיוון וספיר עונות תשובות נכונות. Excellent guys, so I hope that this exercise worked out well for you. If it didn't, you can always rewatch the video once again until you'll be able to get all sentences on your first try. If there are some particular sentences that you didn't get right, don't forget to write them down in your notebook. So that's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you in the next one.